Welcome to part 2 of my Temu unboxing. This is going to be just focusing on the keyboard I got. This is an Ajazz Bluetooth keyboard, the 308i. This is the milk tea color, and I just thought it was so soft and very, very pretty, and I love the vintage aesthetic of the round keycaps. I have recently fallen down the rabbit hole of keyboard enthusiast content and videos and typing tests, and this is not one of those fancy keyboards that you can modify and, make perfect. It's just really aesthetic, and I plan to use it with my iPad. So that's it. That's everything I got from Temu. Would you order from them? I really kind of liked everything I got, and the price point is right. So sound off in the comments. Would you buy from Temu?